number one. Let's talk about, which was focusing on the client's needs. Solution number two, after you've established relevancy, build credibility, right? So I said earlier, don't focus on how great you are as a practitioner, but once the client is interested in you and is interested in the service you provide, the very next question they will ask is about your credibility, right? So you have to work really hard in this area after after you've got them interested, not before. And this is arguably establishing your credibility is it's actually it feels hard, but it actually turns out to be not so hard. And solution number three is going to address this. So give me a minute to get there. But the thing is that clients frequently doubt the credibility of complementary and alternative medicine providers. Now, modern hospitals don't have this problem. They have the opposite problem. Clients take their credibility for granted, right? People spend less time picking out their doctor than they do picking out a toaster, right? If you go to the store and you're buying a toaster oven, you're like looking at all the different toaster ovens, thinking about, which toaster oven's going to be the good fit for you and all that. Most people don't pick out their doctor that way. They like just get stressed out thinking about which doctor to pick, and they pick the doctor that's like closest to them or something, right? They don't really research the doctor or even know anything about the doctor. But that's not the case for the way they choose complementary and alternative medicine providers. It's the way they choose doctors, right? So modern hospitals have the opposite problem. The um, the clients assume the doctor is credible, but instead the client is skeptical that they will actually be treated like a person. So the hospital goes to lots and lots of effort and spends a lot of money to show they have a soft health and wellness approach, right? You see all the modern hospitals try to look like they're a health and wellness hospital as opposed to a regular hospital that isn't about health and wellness, okay? Now, what about your practice? Your practice, your clients are going to assume that you have a personal soft touch that's emotionally and that you're emotionally available, right? Like I don't need to convince my clients that or work hard to convince my clients that I'm going to give them personalized attention. Every health and wellness practitioner gives their client personal attention, every single one of us. But clients do doubt my credibility. So I don't need to really put myself out there as being super emotionally, available or that, I don't need to make it really personal because they assume that. And that doesn't differentiate my practice at all. What does differentiate my practice is boldly stating what I am offering and what I can fix for them and that I am credible, right? So I refocus on the Joyful Belly website, my attention away from the soft touch and onto credibility and establishing that I am a credible provider. That is the only thing I'm really worried about in my own marketing because that's the thing that clients do not assume in alternative health and wellness. They do assume a personal touch. Okay. So I increase relevance to the client by focusing on relief of symptoms, and I increase credibility by focusing on professionalism and results. Alrighty. So, um, so when I said before, AABC, the American Association of Biocharacteristics Clinicians, offers an Ayurveda certification that's designed for professionalism. That is, it's culturally neutral, and it also communicates the medicine or the medical model behind Ayurveda, also Unani Tib and Greek medicine under the term Biocharacteristics Clinician, and that makes it easier for clients, friends, and also other health and wellness professionals in your referral network to understand what it is that you do. And I'll also mention that AABC is offering an Ayurveda certificate, is certifying Ayurveda practitioners, Anani Tib, and Greek medicine practitioners as a promotion free of charge until January 1st. So you can check out their website. This is their website right here. And click on their Become a Member button. Schools can also get certified, and also student practitioners can join as well. So take a look at that. It's at biocharacteristics.org.